Hey guys, it's Jake here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom Snapchat Geofilter for an event, birthday party, wedding, or just a fun little house party or whatever. And just to let you know, it's not free, and you're going to need two things. You're going to need a Snapchat account, make sure you have the username and password to it, and also either Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. And you're going to need to be on a computer to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on our web browser and you're going to go to snapchat.com. And at the top, you'll see want your own Snapchat Geofilter. You're going to click on that. Whoopsies. Left click. And then it'll redirect you to the Snapchat Geofilter. Now, there's two types of Geofilter. Community, which are free, they take longer to review. They're like for the Dallas Geofilter, the Seattle or Los Angeles, or all the school geofilters, those are free, and those are like for the entire community. On demand, you can make it for your businesses, like to advertise a product or for a party, which it'll be kind of cool and your friends will love it. So we'll click on learn more on demand. That's what we're going to be doing. So we're gonna design it. But don't worry, if you're novice to Photoshop, never used it before, there are templates so you don't even have to design it. So we're gonna download the templates. I've already done that. And so you see the GeoFilter templates right there that if you're in Chrome, you just extract it, and then you'll get to this screen. So there are different things you can look at. I would just open them all. Either you can use if you have Photoshop or Illustrator. I'm going to be showing you how to do Photoshop. So you can use anniversary, birthday, etc. Just look through them. But I picked the one. This is birthday 2. I already did this one, and I'm just going to show you how I did this. I'm going to show you what it looked like before. So this is made by Snapchat. It's already predefined. I just looked through them and found this one. If you want to make it for your friend as a nice little birthday present, you can make it for, if you know where their house is, you're going to need to, or if they have a party and you surprise them, it's going to cost you money. It starts at $5 and it goes up from there. And looks like it's not going to open up, but I'll show you what a predefined, this is a different one right here. So it says happy birthday name. You just change the name. You just click on that, change the name to the person, and make sure you delete where it says delete. You just have to delete that, press a backspace or right click and press delete layer like that, or else that'll show up on the Geofilter and it will get rejected because it covers the entire thing. I recommend you make this no later than a week in advance because it takes time for Snapchat to approve it, and you might waste your money if you make it a couple hours in advance. So just to be safe, they say about a day, but I've never actually made a page I've made a page Geofilter, but I never submitted it. So what I can do is I change the text on here. It says name there. I can change it to the size, move it around, and do whatever to it, change the color of it, and all that stuff. And I deleted the layers already on this one. And so once you got it to where you look, you can also change the font, look for a font that looks kind of cool. Once you have it to the way you want it, I already saved it, but I'll save it again, I guess. So I'll just say, because it won't let me save it for some reason, so I'll just have to make a little change to it. I'm going to say Mary, just a random name. And then we're going to press Save for Web. And it's going to come up like this. Make sure you have the checkered background because that's transparent, which means it's clear and see-through, or else if you have that black background behind it, it'll cover up when you swipe to see your filter. It'll be black on there too. So that transparent means that's where the picture will be when it is. So make sure the settings are all the same. PNG 24, the resolution 1080 by 1920. That's the iPhone resolution. And then you're gonna press save, and we're gonna save it to somewhere where you'll remember. And let's say birthday Mary. We're gonna save as birthday Mary. Press save. Then you're gonna go back into your web browser and you're gonna click choose file. Then you're gonna search for birthday Mary. I saved it in my downloads. And give me 1 second. And let me see if this is okay. So I'm looking for it real quickly. Birthday Mary. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry. Where did it go? I'm so sorry. I make a lot of geofilters and all that stuff, so I have a lot of geofilter files in here. Uh, hmm. Looks like there it is. There it is, right there. So you're gonna upload it, double click to upload it. This is what it's gonna look like on your geofilter when you upload it here. So you can make it as little as you want, as big as you want, or to make it fit the screen or whatever. So I'm gonna have it like that. You can zoom in, zoom out. Then you're gonna give it a name. Let's say Mary's birthday. Let's say she's gonna have a birthday party, and we'll show you how to map it out. You're gonna need to know the address of this place. Let's say her birthday's on July 31st, and she's having a party. You're gonna select your time zone, which it should automatically use your computer time zone. Let's say it's gonna be at 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And we're going to say July 31st. You can have it up to a month. And let's say PM. We have to use PM. It's weird. Oh, sorry. Okay, there we go. And then you're going to press next. Now, you're going to need to know where this is. We're going to go to Dallas. And let's say it's going to be at, let me just think of a place. Let's say it's going to be at the Dallas World Aquarium. We're just giving out a random place. You can search for it. If you know the address, just enter it. And if you don't make the area unnecessarily big, because it'll cost you more money. Let's say, so what we're going to do is, for example, don't make it the square of the outside part, because that's just more money that you're going to pay, because the bigger the area, the more money it is. Starts at $5, go up, and the price increases depending on how big the area is, and also how long you have it. And I'm gonna look at this featured event, and you can look at the featured events here, and maybe if you find a good one, you can make one for that event. I've never seen that before because I haven't really used this in a while. So let's say we're gonna select this building. See that? That's the building. So it might be expensive because the aquarium is pretty big. So what we're going to do is we're just going to draw a fence around it. Now this is the outer edge of where Snapchatters can use the geofilter. Inside of this, think of a yard. In here, this is like an invisible fence where the geofilter is available. So inside that green area is where the geofilter can be used. Outside of there, it's the boundary where the geofilter is available. And so looks like it's only going to cost me $5 for all of this. Now it's 32,364 square feet for $5. So that's not actually that bad. Now we're going to press next again. And we're going to check out. I'm not going to buy it because I don't want to pay money for something I'm not going to be using. Just select a credit card, use a credit card, debit card, or something, and you can save the credit card and just select if it's going to be personal use. If it's a birthday party or graduation, if it's business, it can include branding, and then you have to select the business name. So personal use, if you have like a wedding or something, this is what this will be because it's a birthday. And then all you have to do is, once you enter your credit card information, I'm not going to put that in there, you just press submit, and it'll take them about a day to approve it, which they usually always approve it because you paid for it and they want the money. And it looks like you can use a gift code. I'm sorry, I'm kind of novice to this, but I know how to make geofilters. And then just press submit, and voila, you have the geofilter out at that area you want it to. And it'll be really cool. Your friends will love it. They'll be jealous of it, and they'll want to have it for their party. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.